Okay, so when using the quadratic formula, you can be asked to give your answer in 1, 2 or 3 decimal places, but you can also be asked to give your answer in surd form. Okay, so what surd form means is that the square root should still be in your answer at the end. Okay, so the question here we have is 7x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. And you can see from the question we've been instructed to use the quadratic formula. So the first thing I would do is write out the formula. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so formula written out. Next step I would take is assigning my values of a, b and c. So you get that from your equation. Okay, so a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of the x term, and c is your constant. Okay, so we can see here a is 7, b is positive 4, c is minus 4. So now filling these values in for a, b and c in our formula. So minus b, we sub in 4, plus or minus square root b squared, so we're going to have 4 squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, c, all over 2 multiplied by a, which is 7. Okay, so once you get to the stage here, it's just a matter of multiplying out. So we've got minus 4 plus or minus the square root. So we've got 4 squared is 16. Okay, then we have, use your calculator if you want. We've got minus 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by minus 4 gives us positive 112. Remember, minus times a minus is going to give us a plus. So plus 112 all over 2 times 7 is 14. So now tidy up what we can. So we've got minus 4 plus or minus the square root. So we've got 16 plus 112, which gives us 128 all over 14. Now, technically, we're finished. Our answer, this is surd form. Okay, our square root is still in our answer. However, just like fractions, etc., you always want to make sure you have the simplest, smallest form of your question. So now we're in surd form, but we want to simplify. So you take your calculator and you're going to type this exactly into your calculator and press equals. If it can simplify, the calculator will show you. If not, it'll just reproduce the same as that you typed in. So it's fractions. We've got minus 4. Now, you can't type in plus or minus, so just type in plus. The square root of 128 all over 14. So just type it in, and then to simplify, just press equals. And you can see here it comes up simplified. So our answer can simplify down to minus 2 plus or minus 4 square root 2 all over 7. And that's your final answer in surd form. Okay, so if you're going for decimals, that's when you'd split those up and say minus 2 plus 4 root 2, minus 2 minus 4 root 2. However, they want it in surd form, as asked in the question, so it's actually a little bit less work first. So you just leave your answer like so.